Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about Monzo Bank. Monzo is a popular digital bank that has been in the news a lot lately. In 2019, they were fined £1.5 million by the Financial Conduct Authority, FCA, for failing to properly protect customer data. More recently, they have been accused of misleading customers about their overdraft fees. So, is Monzo still under investigation? And if so, what does this mean for their customers? Before we get into that, let's take a quick look at what Monzo is and how it works. What is Monzo? Monzo is a digital bank that was founded in the UK in 2015. They offer a variety of banking products and services, including current accounts, debit cards, and overdrafts. Monzo is a popular choice for young people and students. They offer a number of features that are attractive to this demographic, such as the ability to set spending budgets and track your spending in real time. How does Monzo work? Monzo is a mobile-only bank. This means that you can access your account and manage your finances using the Monzo app. You can open a Monzo account in just a few minutes. All you need to do is provide some basic information, such as your name, address, and date of birth. Once you have opened an account, you can start one using your Monzo debit card. You can also use the Monzo app to make payments, transfer money, and set up direct debits. 1. FinancyTime.com. FinancyTime.com. Monzo's recent controversies. In 2019, Monzo was fined £1.5 million by the FCA for failing to properly protect customer data. The FCA found that Monzo had not taken sufficient steps to prevent unauthorized access to customer accounts. More recently, Monzo has been accused of misleading customers about their overdraft fees. The bank has been offering a product called Flex, which allows customers to borrow up to £500 without being charged interest. However, customers have complained that they have been charged interest on their Flex overdrafts without being warned. Is Monzo still under investigation? Yes, Monzo is still under investigation by the FCA. The FCA is investigating Monzo's overdraft fees and other practices. Monzo has said that it is cooperating with the FCA's investigation. They have also apologized to customers for any confusion caused by their overdraft fees. What does this mean for Monzo customers? It is important to note that the FCA's investigation is ongoing. This means that it is too early to say what the outcome will be. However, it is possible that the FCA could find that Monzo has misled customers about their overdraft fees. If this is the case, Monzo could be fined or even have its banking license revoked. In the meantime, it is important for Monzo customers to be aware of the risks involved in using their overdraft. Customers should also be sure to read the terms and conditions of their Flex account carefully. What can customers do to protect themselves? There are a few things that customers can do to protect themselves while Monzo is under investigation. Be aware of the risks involved in using your overdraft. Read the terms and conditions of your Flex account carefully. Monitor your account regularly for any unauthorized activity. If you have any concerns, contact Monzo customer service. Monzo is a popular digital bank that has been in the news a lot lately. They have been fined by the FCA for failing to protect customer data and have been accused of misleading customers about their overdraft fees. The FCA is currently investigating Monzo's overdraft fees and other practices. It is too early to say what the outcome of this investigation will be, but it is possible that Monzo could be fined or even have its banking license revoked. In the meantime, it is important for Monzo customers to be aware of the risks involved in using their overdraft. Customers should also be sure to read the terms and conditions of their Flex account carefully. Thank you for watching. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. I will be back next week with another video. Until then, stay safe and have a great week.